Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and today we're talking about Parrot pals. Let's move on to language focus. 1번. The more researchers have worked with parrots, however, the more they, I don't know why there's a 4 there, the more they have realized how much these birds understand. Okay, so we're looking at the more. So to express proportional relationships between actions and conditions. So in Korean, it's very common to use, example, the more you do something, the more something else coincides with it, meaning 뭐뭐을 뭐수록 할수록 blah blah blah. So the first example. The more I learn about Africa, the more I want to visit. 아프리카에 대해 더 많이 배울수록 저는 더 많이 방문하고 싶습니다. Which is like me. I think I would really love to go visit Africa. I'd love to do safari. I'd love to go out and see the differences in continents. I think it would be beautiful to go to Africa. Or, the more Salem exercises, the more he eats after he gets home from the gym. Well, Salem이 운동을 더 많이 할수록 Salem은 체육관에서 집으로 돌아온 후에 더 많이 먹습니다. Well, when Salem exercises really hard, 열심히 운동한다면 더 배고플 수도 있어요. 그래서 더 많이 먹어요. As long as it's healthy food, I guess it's not too bad. I don't think he's got a big problem. But yes, it's not great, especially if it's at night time. Right, let's move on to 2번. And far from just parroting words, they can use logic to put words together in new ways to express what's on their minds, just like humans. We are using far from with a gerund 동명사 to emphasize that something is not happening, and on the contrary, something else is happening. Okay. So, far from. How can I explain this? When we use far, oopsie daisies, when you use far from, it's like 세로에, or 뭐뭐 커녕. And sometimes we use it like instead of 뭐뭐 대신에. Alright? So let's have a look at our examples to give you an idea. Far from learning from his mistakes, Michael started doing even dumber things. So, 그의 실수로부터 배우기는커녕 마이클은 훨씬 더 멍청한 일들을 하기 시작했습니다. Alright? So, most people, they learn from their mistakes. So, when we make a mistake, 실수한다면 배워요. 앞으로 그렇게 안 할 겁니다. 근데 마이클은 더 멍청한 일을 하기 시작했습니다. 그래서 마이클은 바보입니다. Alright. Far from getting easier, our training is just getting tougher and tougher. 우리의 훈련은 쉬워지기는커녕 점점 더 어려지고 있습니다. So we imagined that it will be more easy. So 더 쉽게 상상했습니다. 근데 점점 더 어려워지고 있습니다. Alright, now let's look at the language focus quiz. 1번. The more I learn about, the more I like it. So the more. Remember? 모를수록. So the more I learn about, let's say, history, the more I like it. So 역사에 대해 배울수록 역사가 더 좋아요. Which is true. I love history. Wish I learned more in high school. The more you travel, the more, this is an easy one. Everyone says this. The more you travel, the more you learn. 여행을 많이 할수록 더 많이 것을 배울 수 있습니다. Which is also true. Far from improving, has gotten worse and worse. Far from, that should be far from, not far from. Far from improving, far from plus gerund. Remember we use it 뭐 새로 건형. Far from improving, has just gotten worse and worse. Let's take a stab. The government. 정부는 나아지기는커녕 점점 더 나빠지고 있습니다. Some people would say. Far from disliking, I actually think it's really great. So example, far from disliking the actors, 배우들을 싫어하는기는커녕 사실 그 영화 정말 대단하다고 생각합니다. Alright, now let's move on to the further discussion. 1번. Among popular pets, which animals are highly social? Which are more independent? 인기는 애완동물 중 사회성이 높은 동물은 어느 곳이 더 독립적입니까? Well, this is a very easy question. Among popular pets, I know in South Korea, about 70% of pet owners are dog owners, and about 30% roughly are cat owners. And which one are more independent? Well, it's very well known that cats are more independent and dogs are more dependent, however, much more loving towards their owners than cats are. To be honest with you, if you are a person who is out of the house more, you should be a person who enjoys cats. If you are a person who's at home more, you should be a person who enjoys dogs because they're going to give you more attention. 2번. Do you think video chats with friends will become a common thing for parrots? 여러분은 친구들과의 화상 채팅이 애완 앵무새들에게 흔한 일이 될 것이라고 생각하나요? Well, you see, I never thought about this until obviously we read this article. No. Because I don't think parrots care too much about FaceTime or whatever the video calls or video chats. Like I remember when I was very young and my friend had those parrots, you could hear them from a very far distance, right? Speaking. But the parrot he had didn't have any friends in the cage and he would just talk anyway. So yes, they're communicating, but sometimes they just talk to themselves. So I'm not sure if that's actually helpful for video chats. When you're in a conversation on a video chat, you kind of want to be a bit more engaging with the other person. But I don't know. Who knows? I mean, look at the world of AI at the moment. Did we ever think we would become so dependent on AI where they're now doing a lot of our assignments? Who knows? Now, will we have pet parrots wanting to FaceTime each other? Who knows? It's an interesting world that we live in. Anyway, that wraps it up for today's class, and I will see you next time.
Mimic.
Mimic.
Kindergartner.
Kindergartner.
Abstract.
Abstract.
Empathy.
Empathy.
Pick out.
Pick out.
Livestock.
Livestock.